what would you tell them? What kind of advice would you give to an aspiring entrepreneur that's in college right now today?
Tell me your pain point. And that's really the first thing. And the reality is that there's been so much models out of Uber and Airbnb that have looked for a market first, not the pain point, but the market. What happens is that kind of pulls out the emotional side, which in early stage investors and early stage people that are trying to jump on with your company, they're not investing in a market, they're investing in you. And that investment in you is purely based on the pain point you're trying to solve, and can you convey that pain point to someone else? And so many entrepreneurs today miss that piece. They miss that in the first 2 minutes of their pitch, in their elevator pitch. I don't care how big the market is. You should tell me one number and move on. The reality is, what is that pain point and how are you solving it? That's the critical thing. And that's what I would tell anybody as they're looking at building a company, how to be successful in that space, is focus on that pain point, identify it, and then run with it and convey that value and that mission. No different than how Vita did to grow ourselves.
If you think today's tip or guest interview can help someone you know, please share this with them. If you've enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. If you're listening on YouTube, don't forget to hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified when we release a new episode. Our show features entrepreneurs, business executives, and the stories behind how they got there, as well as daily tips on career advice and job interviews. You can visit Riderflex.com to learn more about us and get information on the recruiting and consulting services we provide. Thanks so much for listening, and have a great day.